Did you know China's drones can deliver packages, spy on enemies, and even perform acrobatics? That's right, one of them can do a flip better than most gymnasts. Buckle up, because what you're about to learn will blow your mind. Welcome to a world where drones are no longer just toys. China's advanced drone technology is reshaping the future of warfare, surveillance, and yes, even your online shopping experience. Let's dive into this science fiction reality. These drones are super impressive, but not without challenges. Think about it. Who controls these flying robots? How do we handle the ethical dilemmas of using drones for warfare or surveillance? And what happens if your pizza delivery drone gets hacked? China has developed drones for almost everything: combat, spying, and even agricultural uses. The Winglong drones are used in military operations, while smaller drones assist in monitoring crops. Oh, and let's not forget the surveillance drones that can detect your every move, even if you're just binge watching on your couch. Here's the kicker. In a recent operation, a Chinese drone was able to autonomously track and neutralize a target. That's right, a robot deciding life and death. It sounds like science fiction, but it's happening now. So, what have we learned? China's drone tech is incredible, but it also raises questions about privacy, security, and the future of humanity. Are we ready for this flying future? What do you think about the future of drone technology?
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like to show your support. Got thoughts, questions, or ideas? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe and hit the to stay updated on my latest content. See you in the next video.